Today I'm going to show you how to add, edit, and delete categories in WordPress. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have full control over how your posts are organized, making your site both easier for visitors to navigate and for you to manage as it continues to grow. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, understanding categories is the backbone of keeping your content neat and discoverable. Let's dive in by learning how to add a brand new category. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Posts, then drop down to find Categories. This is truly the headquarters for all your post organization. On the left side of this screen, you'll see a form labeled Add New Category. Here, you'll start by entering the name. Let's say you want to group all your tech-related articles. You might type in Tech News. Next is the slug. Think of the slug as the address for your category. It forms part of the web URL. Like your website.com/category/tech news. If you leave this blank, WordPress will automatically create a slug based on the name, which works fine for most people. If you plan on having nested categories, you can also choose a parent category. For example, if tech news is the parent, you might add smartphones as a subcategory beneath it. This helps further organize your content, especially as your site grows and you cover more topics. Once done, simply click Add New Category, and you'll see it appear right away on the list to the right. Here's a quick tip. If you're in the middle of writing a post and realize you need a new category, you don't have to leave the editor. Just look for the Categories box on the right side of your editing screen and click plus Add New Category. This is a real-time saver. I use it all the time, especially when inspiration strikes mid-write. Now, what if you need to make changes to an existing category? Maybe you realize you've typoed a category name, or you've updated your section titles and want the categories to match. Head back to Posts and then Categories. On the right, you'll see your full list of categories. Hover your mouse over the one you want to edit. When you do, a few options appear below. Click Edit if you want to change the name, slug, or even add a description. Quick Edit is handy if you're just fixing a typo in the name or slug. Don't forget to hit Update to save your changes. And here's a word of caution. If you change the slug, the actual URL for that category will change too. As of 2026, WordPress is pretty good about redirecting the old link to the new one, but it's always smart to double-check, especially so your site visitors don't end up on missing pages or 404 errors. Think of this like changing a street name. Mail will usually be rerouted, but it's always worth confirming. Finally, to delete a category, stay in the same Categories section. Find the one you want to remove, hover over it, and click the red Delete link. You'll be prompted to confirm, just making sure you really meant it. One important rule here. You can't delete whichever category is set as your site default. For most, this is named uncategorized. If you want this gone, first head to Settings, then Writing, and set a new default before deleting. And don't worry, if you delete a category, all the posts in it won't get deleted. They'll just slide safely into the default category instead, so nothing is ever lost. And that's the complete guide to managing categories in WordPress for 2026. If this video helped you get your site organized, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or tips of your own, or if you run into any issues, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.